Welcome.
Less than a year after Giga Texas's opening, the Greater Austin Chamber of Commerce says Tesla has diversified the local economy.
Construction is expected at the Tesla Gigafactory in East Travis County. Filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation show the manufacturer plans construction on more than 5 million square feet of space.
Obviously, are still a tech city, and the most jobs that we added in Austin were in tech, but just behind that, our second largest growing sector in our economy was in automotive manufacturing.
In the dry, sprawling landscape of Austin, Texas, an immense structure rises from the ground, its simple exterior concealing a revolution in motion. This is Tesla's Giga Texas, the largest factory the company has ever built. But it's more than a plant. It's a technological powerhouse reshaping the worlds of manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and sustainability. Giga Texas stands as a bold physical embodiment of Elon Musk's far-reaching vision for the future. Inside, innovation moves at an astonishing pace. The factory isn't just producing electric vehicles, it's building batteries and even humanoid robots that could redefine how we live and work. Walk through its doors, and you'll encounter a high-tech orchestra of machines, data, and determination, working in perfect harmony to push the limits of what's possible. From space, Giga Texas looks like something straight out of a sci-fi epic, immense, sleek, and otherworldly. Covering an area equivalent to 15 football fields, the factory is a feat of both scale and engineering. Behind its clean, minimalist facade lies a vibrant ecosystem where cutting-edge technology dominates every inch. Hundreds of robots operate non-stop, assembling vehicles like the Tesla Model Y and Cybertruck with incredible accuracy. Every 60 seconds, a new car rolls off the line. Proof of Musk's mission to make car manufacturing as efficient and scalable as software development. But Giga Texas isn't just massive, it's intelligent. Powered by a sophisticated network of sensors, software, and AI, the facility constantly monitors every step of the process. If a problem arises, the system detects it instantly, alerts the team, and automatically reroutes operations if needed. Small driverless robots called Automated Guided Vehicles, AGVs, zip across the floors, delivering parts with pinpoint precision and managing their own traffic. Every movement, component, and second is tracked and analyzed in real time, resulting in an unmatched level of quality and productivity. This data-driven model has helped make Tesla vehicles a symbol of both reliability and innovation. At the core of this next-gen factory is a machine called the Gigapress. So powerful, it could have been plucked from a superhero movie. Capable of applying 10,000 tons of pressure, the weight of 2,000 elephants, it completely transforms car production. Traditionally, assembling a car frame meant welding dozens of parts together, a slow and error-prone process. The Gigapress changes all that. It molds large structural pieces in one shot, making them stronger, lighter, and cheaper to produce. This speeds up the assembly process and lowers costs, paving the way for more affordable electric vehicles. To give you an idea of Giga Texas's size, if you tipped the building on its side, it would be taller than the Burj Khalifa. It's the most advanced auto factory the world has ever seen. Unlike Tesla's earlier factories, where production was spread across multiple buildings, Giga Texas consolidates everything under one roof. Raw materials come in one side, are shaped into battery cells, packed into structural units, and emerge as fully assembled vehicles. Front and rear vehicle bodies are cast on site. It's a complete, streamlined process. But the Gigapress is just one piece of the puzzle. Giga Texas showcases Tesla's relentless push toward technological frontiers. Inside, robotic arms, long, precise, and powered by advanced AI, perform complex tasks like welding, painting, and lifting with inhuman accuracy and speed. These robots don't just follow instructions, they learn. If something isn't done right, the system adapts and improves automatically, ensuring continuous optimization. Human workers still play a vital role, especially in supervising systems, adjusting processes, and handling delicate tasks. However, as automation improves, the need for human involvement shrinks. Musk envisions a future where humans oversee operations rather than execute them. freeing people to focus on more creative and strategic roles. Giga Texas is more than a factory. It's a launchpad for Tesla's most ambitious innovations. One of its most significant outputs is the 4,680 battery cell, a leap forward in electric vehicle technology. These larger, more efficient cells offer increased energy density, faster charging, and greater longevity. And by simplifying the design with fewer parts, they also cut production costs, making EVs more accessible. The 4,680 cells power the Model Y, the Cybertruck, and the upcoming Tesla Semi, a long-haul electric truck poised to transform the freight industry. And then there's Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Still in development, Optimus is being trained to walk, balance, pick up objects, and interact with machines. The goal? A future where robots like Optimus are as common as smartphones, taking on routine or dangerous tasks and allowing people to focus on what they do best: create, imagine, and lead. Giga Texas is where this vision is coming to life. Unlike the polluting factories of the industrial age, Giga Texas is built with sustainability at its core. Solar panels across the rooftop generate much of the plant's energy, and an advanced water recycling system cuts waste. Green spaces surround the site, helping to protect the local environment and maintain ecological balance. Musk's vision extends far beyond cars. He aims to help build a zero-carbon future. Giga Texas is a shining example of that mission in action. It proves that cutting-edge industry and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Building Giga Texas wasn't easy. From acquiring land in Austin to navigating government permits and launching construction during the COVID-19 pandemic, Tesla faced major challenges. Global supply chains stalled and uncertainty loomed. But Musk's unrelenting drive, his insistence that "we are not stopping," kept the project alive. The factory's construction advanced at record speed, powered by high-tech solutions and a laser focus on safety and efficiency. The grand opening, called the Cyber Rodeo, was a high-energy event featuring dazzling lights, music, and a debut of the Cybertruck, drawing global eyes to this technological marvel in the desert. With a goal of producing 2 million vehicles a year, Giga Texas is shaking up the auto industry at its core. Its unmatched speed, scale, and AI-powered efficiency have left traditional automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen scrambling to catch up. These legacy giants are now rethinking their electric vehicle strategies and investing in modernized, tech-driven factories. But Tesla's head start is undeniable. By approaching car manufacturing the way a tech company handles software, fast, scalable, and driven by data, Elon Musk has redefined what's possible. Giga Texas isn't just assembling vehicles, it's building the future of industrial production. Tesla's ambitions extend far beyond cars. The company is deeply involved in advancing batteries, robotics, artificial intelligence, energy infrastructure, and self-driving technology. At the heart of it all, Giga Texas serves as Tesla's command center. Here, cars don't just run on electricity, they run on data. Every vehicle constantly learns and evolves, reflecting a holistic approach that's turned Tesla into a global innovation leader. As competitors scramble to form alliances, secure government support, and rethink their strategies, Tesla continues to surge forward. Musk's mission is bold but clear: produce the highest number of vehicles at the lowest cost using the most advanced technology available. And Giga Texas is built to make that mission a reality. It's not just serving the US. This mega factory is producing vehicles for customers across Europe, Asia, and beyond. More than just a production hub, Giga Texas is a symbol of what's possible when visionary thinking meets flawless execution. It's where the Cybertruck's bulletproof body is forged. It's where the Tesla Semi is poised to disrupt long-haul trucking. It's where the Model 2 will take shape, an affordable EV designed to bring electric mobility to the masses. Within these walls, 4,680 battery cells are powering the next generation of Tesla vehicles. It's also here that Optimus, the humanoid robot, is being trained to one day walk among us, performing everyday tasks and expanding the boundaries of what machines can do. Most importantly, Giga Texas is where breakthrough technology meets environmental responsibility. It proves that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand, showing the world that progress doesn't have to come at the planet's expense. As Tesla continues to roll out affordable, high-tech vehicles and push the limits of AI and robotics, Giga Texas stands at the center of this global transformation. So, the next time you see a Tesla on the road, remember, it's more than just a car. It's a piece of a revolution born in the Texas desert, where every moment brings us closer to a smarter, greener, and more connected world. Giga Texas isn't just a factory, it's the heartbeat of the future, and its rhythm is resonating across the globe.